I need some time, just deliver the things that I need for now. Everything that I feel's like a warm, deep calm casting over me, and it's taking me to somewhere new. If you believe it, everything's alright. You won't be all alone tonight, and I'd be blessed by the light of your company, slowly lifting me to somewhere new. Oh, can you tell I haven't slept very well since the last time that we spoke? You said, please understand if I see you again, don't even say hello, please. What a night it is when you live like this, and you're coming up beneath the clouds. Don't let me down. All the love's still there, I just don't know what to do with it now. You know I still can't believe we both did some things I don't even wanna think about. Just say you love me and I'll say I'm sorry. I don't want anybody else to feel this way. No, no, no. Can you tell I haven't slept very well since the last time that we spoke? I said, please understand, I've been drinking again, and all I do is hope. Please I'll admit I was wrong about everything, 'cause I'm high and I don't wanna come down. All the fun that we had on your mother's couch, I don't even wanna think about. I'm not strong enough for the both of us. What was I supposed to do? You know I love you. Please stay.
Fortune's fame, mirror vein, gone insane, but the memory